The Deputy Prime Minister, Senator Paul Dlamini, says he is confident that the Council of Ministers will have a report that will benefit the people of the region, and that Council will also deliver a report that will be of great help to the heads of state who will attend the SADC summit during the weekend. Now, he said this during the official opening of the SADC Council of Ministers meeting, which was held at the Royal Swazi Sun Convention Center at Zulwini. We have a report.
The 36th SADC Ordinary Summit, which was held at Lozita Palace last year, August 2016, took a number of key decisions. They include the convening of the SADC Ministerial Retreat, finalization of the costing of the action plan, and governance structure for implementation of the 36th Summit theme, just to name a few. Officially opening the SADC Council of Ministers meeting, the Deputy Prime Minister, Senator Paul Dlamini, said he was confident that the ministers worked hard in brainstorming on the issues of interest of the SADC region at the retreat.
I believe you worked hard in brainstorming at the ministerial retreat and came out with options and resolutions on the future direction to take to make SADC a better organization. The retreat was the best idea for SADC to convene so that ministers can interrogate the issues of how our organization can improve and deliver on its mandate to the people of the SADC region.
The Minister for Economic Planning and Development, Prince Hlangusembhi, hoped for fruitful deliberations as they prepare for the extraordinary summit of SADC heads of state and governments.
The three main issues that were discussed were the action plan of the SADC industrialization strategy and roadmap 2015-2063. This action plan seeks to implement the SADC industrialization strategy and roadmap 2015-2063, with focus on the 15 years, with focus on the 15 years. This action plan is positioning industrialization at the center of development for the benefits of the member states.
SADC Executive Secretary Dr. Lawrence Degomena Tax thanked all member states for the job well done in the development of SADC policies and strategies.
The last 3 days saw a successful convening of the ministerial retreat. The retreat took stock of the performance of SADC and reflected on the SADC we want. The ministers engaged in a candid discussion on the future of our community. Among others, they emphasized on the need to focus on key priorities with impact on the livelihoods of SADC peoples, and they devised modalities of doing business differently in order to enhance the effectiveness and efficiency at all levels. The resolution of the retreat will be presented to the Council and Summit for consideration.
This meeting shall be followed by the extraordinary summit of Heads of State on the 18th of March 2017. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I am Paul Dlamini with Mbongwa Dube.